So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at $121,000 and 233. And Bitcoin did go down towards 120 that I had promised with you. Believe it or not, it went to 119,664. Shockingly, what we discussed last time, of course, I wasn't here yesterday, but last time when we discussed, as it even created higher areas, I told you that this thing can always go down towards 120. A retracement is a possibility, and that is exactly what has happened so far. Now, the good thing is that as long as it holds 120, the journey of creating new all-time highs, they stay open with Bitcoin, which means the dream of hitting 132 is still alive because it is holding 120. The moment Bitcoin goes below 120, we can start singing songs of 107. That is going to be a dramatic drop because from 120, $13,000 downward move is 107. It wouldn't crash in one go. It will be in pieces. Like first, I think it will be 115, then 112, then it is going to be 107. It will be in pieces, but it will be a downward journey. And all that can be done with Bitcoin if and only if it closes 2 daily candles below the area of 120, and we have not seen a single candle so far below 120. This is a wick, it doesn't count. We need candles bodies below 120. Once we see that, we can start saying that okay, now upward journey is done, we can start going down. One thing that is comforting is that it is very natural for coins that go up like this to come down at least 50% of the size of the candle. So from here, if it wants to go down, it can come down all the way this much. And that is 116, and 115 is our target anyway. So if it is dropping, it can drop towards 115. But my major concern or my area of interest is of course 120. Losing 120 would pretty much indicate downward journey has started. It can react at 115, 112 and make people think that maybe it will reverse, but it wouldn't. After losing 120, the only thing that can happen with Bitcoin is to go down towards 107. I think that is going to be a bit climatic because going from 126 to 107, a lot of people are going to shit their pants because that's almost $20,000 drop. But it is what it is. The way things go up is the way they go down again. But on the brighter side, if you do remember, we used to talk about this falling channel. The deliverance on this channel is done. So at least from all kinds of structures and all kinds of perspectives, whatever we were seeing on the chart is done. Now there is nothing left for us to look at and assume that, okay, now if this happens, we can do that or something else. Now, if it goes up, it is going to be a discovery area, which means we would be expecting it to go towards 132. And that would be pretty much the top for me on Bitcoin. And this is not the first time we are talking about 132. I think throughout the year, whenever someone asks me that if market is going to get bullish, what can be the top? And 132 seemed pretty reasonable as a target with Bitcoin. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. You know what to do. If it doesn't hold 120, goes below it for more than 2 days, get bearish for 107. If it doesn't, then prepare for 132. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.